Hi friends, this is Puneet Reddy Rajula.
This is Susmit Batri, and this is our IoT project, and today we are going to demonstrate about it.
Our project is voice control system for home appliances. Motivation. Why do we need this? Basically, our projects helps you to operate your appliances in just a single voice command. So basically, it's going to make your lives easy. Our system makes not only making your life easy, it is safety. You don't have to switch on your lights. Sometimes it may lead to electrical shocks. You can also save a couple of dollars just by switching it off, not being lazy. Coming to the block diagram. So our system works with a mobile application wherein you give the voice input, which is sent to Arduino through the Bluetooth HC05 module, where the command, if you say the particular appliance name, that is consider it to be a fan on, then it will switch on the fan, else the fan would be off. You can also switch off the fan by saying the command fan off. So we use the Arduino. It's based on Atmega 328 microcontroller. The 328, that actually means 32-bit of memory, and it's a 8-bit architecture. And we have programmed it using the Arduino IDE. The Bluetooth HC05 module. So it has the 5 pins, TX, transmission, RX, receiving pin, the ground, the VCC, and the key. And we used a 5-volt relay board with which we have controlled 4 appliances. So this is the schematic where the Bluetooth and the relay boards both are supplied with the voltage through the Arduino, and even the Bluetooth and the relay board both are grounded to the Arduino. Then the receiving pin of Bluetooth is connected to the uh, Arduino. Then the 4 inputs are given to 4, 5, 6, 7th pin, and then the relays is connected to the appliance. The communication is connected to the positive, and then the other end of the power supply is connected to the appliance, and then normally open is connected to the other end of the appliance.
Coming
The
to our Android application, we have designed our application using the MIT App Inventor, which is an open source web application. It has two parts, designing part and the blocks part. In designing part, we create the application graphical user interface based on our necessity, and in blocks part, we give the functionalities for this interface. Coming to working, we have a Bluetooth HC05 module which is paired with the phone, and when we give the commands like turn on light, these commands will be transmitted to the Arduino through Bluetooth, and from Arduino these commands are sent to the relays and the device gets switched on. And similarly, when you give the command as turn off light, the device gets switched off. And future implementation, as we have used a Bluetooth module that is to our system that can be implemented for shorter distances. In future, this system can be upgraded in such a way that it can be controlled from anywhere, like from your office desk, etc. And voice modulation can be used to enhance the security. Coming to the conclusion part, home automation system can be controlled remotely through the Android application, which assists the elderly and people with disabilities. The system is a low cost, low power consumption module and can also be scalable easily so that we can add more appliances. Thank you.
Coming to the hardware specifications, we have used Arduino Uno, which uses Atmega 328 microcontroller. It is based on 8-bit architecture with a 32 kilobytes of memory. We used a Bluetooth HC05 module to transfer the data from our app to Uno, and then we used a couple of jumper wires, breadboard to give some connections, and then a relay board with a power rating of 5 volt as an input, and it can handle appliances up to 250 volt AC. We have also used a portable charger to supply the power to our Arduino, and then here are the connections for our appliances. So we have connected the COM port and then the normally open port to the power supply of our appliance. So we have used two appliances here. One is the fan and the other one is the light. With our system, we can handle up to 4 devices.
Coming to the communication part, to communicate with our system, we have used the following Android application, which we have designed using the MIT App Inventor. As our relay board has 4 relays, we can give 4 input devices to switch on light, fan, TV and AC. The commands are as follows. To turn on the devices, we say turn on light, turn on fan, turn on TV and turn on AC. Similarly, to switch the devices off, we say turn off light, turn off fan, turn off TV and turn off AC.
Coming to our system, the connections are as follows. So the Bluetooth HC05 module has 4 ports: the RX receiver, TX transmission, ground and VCC. So the Bluetooth HC05 module is powered from Arduino Uno's 5 volt, which is given on the breadboard, where the VCC of HC05 module is connected, and then the ground port is grounded. Then the RX port is left empty, and the TX port of Bluetooth HC05 module is connected to the Arduino Uno. Since we transfer data from the Bluetooth module to the Arduino, then port number 4, 5, 6, 7 are used to connect the relay board, where in turn the appliances are connected. The relay has 3 ports. So one is the COM port, the other one is the normally open port, the other one is the normally closed. So the COM port is connected to the positive of the power supply, and normally open is connected to one end of the appliances, and the other end of the appliances is given to the negative of the power supply. So this is how our circuit completes.
Coming to the application demonstration, my app is connected to the system. As it says, Bluetooth is connected. Now I'm going to say my first voice command, that is turn on light. Now my light is switched on, and now I'm going to give the command to switch off the light. Turn off light. Now the light is switched off, And now I'm going to give a command to switch my fan on. It's turn on fan. Now my fan is switched on. And now I'm going to give a command to switch off the fan. Turn off fan. Turn off fan. Now my fan is switched off. Now I'm going to turn on all my devices in a go by giving turn on all. Turn on all. Now all my devices are switched on, the light and fan, in just one command. And now I'm going to off the all the devices in a go. Now I'm going to give the command turn off all. Turn off all. Now all my devices are switched off.
Some of the future enhancements that can be done to our system are implementing it through a Wi-Fi module, since the Bluetooth has very less connectivity, and the other one is doing the voice modulation where unlimited users can use it, like 4 people in the house can be given the authority.
Finally, we would like to thank our Professor Mosha and our TA who has constantly helped us to achieve this project successfully. And during the COVID situation where we have difficulty in getting our paths, the professor has helped us. Thank you.